In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your Google Calendar in QuickBooks Online to sync appointments. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard, you can navigate to the left side of your screen and click all apps here. And then you can go to a customer hub section and click appointments. After that, you will be in this page, appointment page. As you can see, I don't have any appointment here. So in order to connect your Google Calendar, you can click settings drop down here and then click manage calendar connection. And then as you can see, you can choose the Google Calendar or Auto Calendar. In this video, we're gonna choose Google Calendar. So you can just click connect here. And then basically, as you can see, this is the steps. So you can sign in your Google account and give consent to share your data, and then review your data sync settings, and then you can sit back and relax while we bring your Google data. So basically, you can just click continue, and then you can log into your Google account. After that, it will be connected. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.